So the Health and Wellbeing AOLE is all about learners' health and wellbeing. It looks at the fundamental things that really underpin what it means to be healthy and well. Through the 5 What Matters, we focus on the different fundamental underpinnings of that. So each one of these looks at a different aspect. We've got one on physical health and wellbeing that looks at everything to do with learners' physical health, including nutrition, including physical activity as well as care for the body. We have one on mental and emotional well-being that looks at how learners respond to the wide range of experiences that they have, both now and throughout their life, and what they do with those feelings that they have, how they respond to those feelings and how they look for help where they can't deal with those feelings themselves. We have one on decision-making that looks at learners' decisions and how they make decisions, how they take a wide range of information to make those decisions, as well as how they deal with things like risk and addictive behaviours, as well as the decisions that will have a huge impact on their health and well-being throughout their life, such as financial decision-making and careers. We also have a What Matters on social influences, and this looks at the wide range of social influences that will affect learners' behaviours, whether that's online, whether that's through their immediate peer groups, or whether that's through things like the media and advertising. And then we have one on relationships, which looks at the interpersonal relationships, the one-to-one relationships that learners have in a range of contexts, whether that's familial, friendship, professional, teacher, learner, or romantic and sexual. And the idea is that regardless of what issues a professional is taking to their learners to consider that affect their health and well-being, they can look at those issues through the lens of these different 5 What Matters. So for example, something like substance misuse, you could look at the impact on physical health, you could look at the impact on mental and emotional well-being and how often substances are used as a means of dealing with people's experiences. You can look at the decisions that we take around substances. You can look at the social influences that inform people's values and attitudes around substances, and you can look at the impact that those substances can have on people's interpersonal relationships. So the idea is that these What Matters, the idea is that the AOLE allows professionals to take a holistic approach to health and well-being, that regardless of what issue is being considered, that actually it can be considered through every lens that's going to affect a learner's whole health and well-being.